Are you ready to bring a burst of vibrant colors and enchanting fragrances into your living space? In today's video, we'll unveil a captivating array of flowering houseplants that are sure to captivate your senses and elevate the ambiance of your room. From the classic favorites to the more unique varieties, we've cultivated a list that's bound to inspire your gardening journey. Let's dive in. Number 1. Begonia. First up, we have the exquisite begonia. Whether it's the Wax Begonia, Rieger Begonia, or Angel-Wing Begonia, these beauties offer a stunning spectrum of color and textures. Number 2. Bromeliad. Looking for long-lasting blooms? Look no further than the resilient Bromeliad. These adaptable plants thrive even in low light conditions, making them an ideal choice for any space. Number 3. African Violet. Ease meets elegance with the African Violet. With its graceful flowers and foliage, these easy-to-care-for houseplants bring a touch of sophistication to your interiors. Number 4. Geranium. For a burst of charm and color, consider the timeless geranium. Just a south or west-facing windowsill and some sunlight are enough to keep these beauties thriving. Number 5. Poinsettia. Bring the joy of the holiday season indoors with the vibrant Poinsettia. Its colorful bracts add a cheerful touch to any setting, making your interior truly shine. Number 6. Peace Lily. Indulge in the allure of the peace lily. Its elegant white bracts and delicate flowers thrive gracefully in low light conditions, making it a staple for indoor spaces. Number 7. Lipstick Plant. Embrace the exotic with the lipstick plant. Though less common as a houseplant, its warm and humid requirements reward you with a unique touch of lushness. Number 8. Madagascar Jasmine. Turn your room into a fragrant haven with the Madagascar Jasmine. Place it in a bright spot with a touch of direct sunlight and watch the aromatic blooms enchant. Number 9. Impatiens. No indoor flowering plant list is complete without impatiens. These year-round blooms thrive indoors under optimal conditions, adding a burst of color to your space. Number 10. Kalanchoe. Embrace the tropical vibes with the Kalanchoe. A few hours of sunlight near a window is all it needs to bloom and showcase its vibrant personality. Number 11. Oxalis. Introduce the purple leaf shamrock, a delightful houseguest with its showy purple foliage and charming white or pink flowers. Brighten up your space with its presence. Number 12. Christmas Cactus. Create a cozy and inviting atmosphere with the beloved Christmas cactus. Its blooms radiate warmth and cheer, perfect for adding a festive touch. Number 13. Crown of Thorns. Experience the beauty of low-maintenance elegance with the Crown of Thorns. Thriving in sunny windows, it's a hassle-free way to enhance your interior. Number 14. Black-Eyed Susan Vine. Elevate your space with the dramatic allure of the Black-Eyed Susan Vine. Placed near a sunlit window, it's a visual spectacle that transforms any room. Number 15. Purple Heart. Unveil the enchanting inch plant, boasting clusters of purple lance-shaped leaves. Just a touch of direct sun infuses life into its vibrant foliage. Number 16. Orchids. Delve into the world of orchids, where elegance meets uniqueness. Unlike other houseplants, orchids thrive in potting soil, but remember to maintain their distinct care routine. Number 17. Hydrangea. Adorn your home with the captivating hydrangea. These foliage-rich plants bloom in an array of colors, provided they receive even moisture and ample sunlight. Number 18. Cyclamen. Embrace the heart-shaped leaves and breathtaking blooms of the cyclamen. Placed in bright sunlight, it transforms into a dazzling centerpiece for your room. Did you find these flowering houseplants as enchanting as we did? Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these beauties offer endless opportunities to infuse your space with color, fragrance, and style. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more insightful gardening tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy gardening!